The third and final ETF we're going to cover here is AIQ. This is another Global X product, which is the Artificial Intelligence and Technology ETF. This fund seeks to invest in companies that will benefit the most from the development and use of AI technology, as well as companies that provide the hardware that makes big data and AI analysis possible. AIQ is more focused on the AI hardware side of things without the robotics component that comes along with the bots ETF. As far as the holdings go here, AIQ has 84 individual holdings, so it's a little bit more diversified compared to bots. Now, another detail I like about AIQ is how diversified your investments are across the entire fund. With this particular fund, the largest single component of the fund is Alibaba, which makes up just 3.7% of the entire fund. Beyond that, other notable top 10 holdings include IBM, Cisco, Oracle, Tencent, Meta, Netflix, and Nvidia. Now, taking a look here at the sector exposure, about 66% or 2/3 of the entire fund is invested in information technology.